Hello and welcome to Platform9 Support. Today we'll be taking you through the process of creating an instance via the Clarity UI. Let's get started. Navigate to your management plane's login prompt and sign in. Once the welcome page loads, ensure you are scoped to the proper region and tenant in which you intend to create your new instance. Then, click the Instances button on the left pane. Here, click the New VM Instance button in the top right corner. This will launch the instance creation wizard. The first step will be to select how you'll boot your instance. Selecting Image will create an ephemeral instance with no persistent disk. Selecting New Volume will allow you to create an instance with the persistent block storage volume as the root disk. Input your desired volume size and choose whether you'd like the volume to delete on instance termination. You can also select Existing Volume if you have a bootable volume that is not currently in use by another instance. Today, we'll be booting an ephemeral instance from an image. Select your desired image and click Next. Here, we'll select the desired availability zone as well as the instance's flavor to assign a predetermined set of resources to be allocated. Then click Next. Select the network on which you intend to connect the instance, ensuring IP addresses are available in the associated subnet, then click Next. Name your instance descriptively, select the SSH key you'll use to connect to the instance securely, any server group to which you'd like the instance added, assign any necessary metadata attributes, and choose a security group that will be assigned to the instance. Finally, click the Create Multiple Instances checkbox if you'd like to create multiple instances at once. We'll be creating only a single instance in this scenario. Click Next. A cloud init script can be provided here to run commands within the instance after boot is completed. This is outside of the scope of our tutorial today. Click Finish. Review the details of the instance you've input and click Create Instance. You'll be presented with a cloud init password regardless of whether the instance is booted from a Windows or Linux image. However, it will only be relevant for Windows instances. Click OK, then click the Network tab in the left pane. Select the Security Groups tab at the top of the page. Then, select the security group you've chosen to assign to the instance, and click Edit Security Group. Ensure the proper outbound and inbound rules exist to allow the needed connectivity to your instance, and update as necessary. You can now proceed to connect to your instance via SSH or RDP using your preferred client. Thanks for joining us, and please be sure to like and subscribe to receive updates on future support video releases.